When you hear the word stable custom ROM, the very first name that will probably pop in your head will be Lineage OS. But as we all know that Lineage OS is amazingly stable but fails to satisfy a customization nerd. Now here's when a ROM like HAVOC OS comes into play, which not only is as stable as Lineage OS but is also customizable as Resection Remix. So is this ROM the fusion of Lineage OS and Resection Remix? Well, let's find it out in today's video. Hey, what's up guys, Bhushan here from abgeekexpert. With that being said, let's get started. So HAVOC OS is a ROM which is based upon Lineage OS. That means it's stock where it needs to be and it's customizable where you need it to be. I hope that made some sense. Now the reason I told this ROM could be the next Resection Remix is because of the vast ocean of customization you can dive into. I mean, not only you have a dedicated customization option in the settings app, but where things get really interesting is a dedicated HAVOC settings app, which is denoted by Lean Settings. Now you can customize all the things that you used to do in Resection Remix like animations, quick settings and all those usual stuff. But where HAVOC OS leaves Resection Remix behind is in terms of additional customizations which you may not find on any other custom ROM. Some of my favorite customizations are dynamic navigation bar, which enables your navigation bar to adapt to the color of the app you are currently using. For example, green for messages, white for Twitter and so on. The next customization is gestures. I know it kinda sounds OP, but having all those sweet hand gestures to navigate throughout your phone really improves the overall user experience. And not to mention, this ROM also comes with Pi Control and OmniSwitch as well. The next customization, or rather a feature that I absolutely adore, is Smart Pixels. What this feature essentially does is it removes all the unwanted pixels that are active on your screen and only leaves the useful pixels active. The best way to portray it is by using a dark wallpaper and enabling dark pixels. This will definitely save you some if not a lot of juice in your phone. Now let's address the elephant in the room. How stable is HAVOC OS? To sum it all up in one go, HAVOC OS is a great ROM but is still not stable enough to be used as your daily driver. Some bugs that I found to be irritating in this ROM are the fingerprint sensor is a bit laggy and slow at times. Some custom settings like system settings and the event settings may crash your settings panel completely. And then there are some minor bugs like slow shutter speed while taking photo, slow animations, etc. But all these above bugs can be easily patched via an OTA update, so that's not a thing to be concerned while flashing. Either way, HAVOC OS is a really great custom ROM to try out on your Redmi Note 3. And what I really like about this ROM is the aesthetics, those rounded corners, super responsive gestures, and really good lag-free UI adds up to the overall experience. The XDA link to the ROM and the gaps package will be in the description down below, so have fun while flashing. With that being said, I'm abgeekexpert and I'm signing out.